Okie dokie. All righty. Let's have a look at this. Okay, so we're in a long. This is the position. Just let's start the session. Obviously, we've got a couple minutes. We've got 30 minutes between the market actually opening. I'm going to just put this on Instagram. We're going to get started. It's been a very, very interesting day. Let me just post this. That's it. We're going live. If anybody wants to jump in. Oh. Let's have a look. 2 seconds. Where is this? Okay, that's not a bad start. That is not a bad start. Got a little... Ideally, we want to see some momentum come up in here. May put this on TikTok as well. Do a TikTok live. Let's do it. Let's do a TikTok live. I don't know if this is going to work. Okay, holding a little bit. That's weird. I can't actually go live on TikTok. Maybe I'll do it on my TikTok. Why not? Yeah, nice push. That's a solid push. All right, I don't know who's in the chat, but we're getting a nice push up on Euro. And we got a push up on gold. Now this is some solid stuff. What's going on, people? We're currently long. Yes, we got some people that is long gold. Long gold in EU at the moment. Gold is flying. Oh my God, it is flying. We're about 2% up. I'll tell you what. Finally got some back into profits on the euro because I added that euro trade, but I got in at the top. It was a really, really, really bad entry. I got a bit lucky on that. but we are flying. This could be a really good, these could be some really nice trades actually. The only thing is, New York's opening up soon and you don't know what is going to happen. Anything can happen, but we are pushing up. We're pushing up nicely. You should come, if anybody wants to jump onto the YouTube, go onto my story, jump onto the YouTube of Funding Rock. You can see the live trades right now. I'm up a good amount right now. Who's in here? Saket, my man. What's everybody trading today? Who else is in Euro longs? Oh, Gil. Gil's jumping in as well. Hello, hello, hello. God, it's a lucky day today. What's everybody trading? My man, my man. You know, we still need to go for coffee. You're only around the corner from me. What's everybody trading? So we've got gold longs and EU longs at the moment. EU's only just got back into profit. Also on the Funding Rock account as well. Shorts G, pound Swiss. That's interesting. Let me have a look at pound Swiss. I'll have a look at pound Swiss now. Oof. Fire, mate. Oh, with a 2R on dollar. Yeah, mate. Solid. So Euro's pushing up nicely. People in here, look at that. I wish there was a way, to be fair, to do both streams. Like I stream on YouTube and Instagram at the same time. And then it would be much easier instead. I'm actually trying to stream two things at the same time. It's actually quite difficult. That's better. We need to see a little bit more of a push, to be honest, on all of this. The market is literally going to open up in 10 minutes, so we need to see some momentum, especially on the euro. Otherwise, I'm going to get clipped. But we look like we're in good situation, to be fair. Okay, so the euro's failing to break that top. Now, I doubt this is going to be one that just runs back down and takes its top. I really don't think so. What I could do is pull in my risk on this. There's no reason, if it's come up and broken up these highs right here, there's no reason for it to come up and take me out. If it comes down there, then so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull in my stop just underneath this low. And that's at least shaved a little bit of the risk off. gold's having a little bit of a pullback. Okay, this Instagram live is definitely not working. Turning this off. So we tried something new. We tried to stream on Instagram at the same time, but that was nearly impossible. So we're not going to do that again unless we can do it on OBS. But let's see what's going to happen with this. I'm going to pull up some of the different charts and we're going to have a look at what's been happening. Now I'm all focused. Let's pull up the dollar charts and just see what potential that we've got. So dollar is just coming down into this area. This is quite a high area of support. So I just need to watch it just on some of my positions. But I think we do have potential to come down into these lows right here, or these highs pre-break. If we come down to those highs pre-break, then I think we'll get a nice, a nice reaction there. So that's what I'm looking for on that. USD yen, and as you can tell, we were then in that this morning. So the USD yen trade was really, really, really nice. So that was actually a 3% trade on that USD yen. So that's where we got out. That's where we got in. It was a really solid move. Also, Michael, everybody's in the same trades at the moment. So Michael's also looking for gold to push up. Let's have a look at what gold's doing right now. Yeah, I think we're solid. We're absolutely solid. So Michael's looking at this on a 1 minute. I'm telling him to chill out because I think we're going to come up, break all these highs, and we're going to come up to these highs. That's the overall target on this. If we go on higher time frame, all this is a break, retest, continuation trade. And it's got momentum as well. It's come back into this area of support and resistance, this area of demand, came up once, come back down, found support and pushed off with a lot of momentum. So this is, in my opinion, a very, 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 very nice trade. I really don't see any reason why we don't come to try and break out these highs. EG, Euro looking now a little bit more difficult, coming back down. This is taking some of my profits away. Let's see if we can find some support right there, right on the 50. Gold, no reason why it shouldn't push up. Whoever's in the chat, tell me what you guys are in, all right? Tell me what you're looking at. We've got just under 10 minutes before the market opens. And then we're going to really see what's going to happen. Let's have a look at some of the USD. See now that on USD yen, come back into these highs pre-break. That's not the best sign, to be honest. Normally you would look, okay, it's come back down. It's retested all of this level. That's the second retest. That's the first retest of that level. This is the third retest, in my opinion, because you got one candle taking all the orders, come up, come back down, taking a load of other orders. If this starts to hold, then it's probably an idea to start getting out of the trade, to be honest. But now we're under all of these EMAs. Ideally, we'd be looking for this next area in line. Let's have a look and see what other support. Yeah, so we'd be looking to come down into this EMA, which, to be honest, is still good for USD. It doesn't mean it's going to come all the way down, but it's just coming to come into this area of demand on the EMAs and all of that. So it's just something to keep an eye on. Wow, USD CHF came off. Now that would have been a really nice trade. Again, break under the EMAs. You didn't really get a retest. Ideally, if you were going to get into this, you'd get into a retest. You're not just going to blindly just open the short right there, because you don't know if that's going to be the break and the retest and then the continuation. CAD JP sell hold 4 hour. CAD yen. I have not traded CAD yen before. 4 hour. Difficult one for me, mate. The reason why I would only say, and this is my point of view, yeah, don't take this as going, against what you think. You trade the way that you trade. This is my opinion. I'm wrong 60% of the time, so don't listen to me. But I like it when it's come down here, but it's made this like kind of rounded price action. So you've got all of this rounded price action. It's had one attempt to come down, another attempt, and another one. It's just taking that area of those highs, and you still have all of these highs that have not been touched yet. Now we're coming over the EMAs, and now all the EMAs are just starting to point upwards. So anything like a retest on that, and then coming up to that level, may be something that you may want to watch out for. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but that's what I'm looking at the chart now, and that's what it looks like to me. If we go on a 5 minute, yeah. So that again, same as like USD yen. To be fair, it's just come back on. It's tested these highs pre-break. So there's different ways you can do this. The ways that I really like, you've got these types of highs, and that's if you've got a lot of momentum on your side, price pushes up, comes straight down, and then shoots off. Or you've got these types of highs, a little bit lower down, doesn't, it's just a little bit of a deeper pullback. You've got people saying, okay, this could be one of those types of fair value gaps and stuff like that. I do think it's going to at least come up for a retest of this high. So that would be the target on that one, and that's for a long. But again, this is an intraday setup. I don't know what you'd be looking for on a 4 hour. If I probably got rid of all my EMAs, maybe I would see it a little bit better. Let me clear this chart. Let's see on a. So this would be the leg of that move. It's a difficult one, man, because you've got this leg up. So this is basically the range that you're trading down here, and it's coming to a 50% of that level. I think that's a long, mate. To be honest. Let's just check on our positions. Okay, we're pretty good there. Pushing up. I think we're going to get this as soon as we get a little bit of momentum. Let's have a look at the euro. The euro looks really good. 5 minute, we've come back on. We've broken up at this level. Ideally, we would have broken up this high. Now it just looks like it's just swept and, like a swing failure pattern. I don't believe it is a swing failure pattern. I do feel like we've got a little bit more upside, to be honest. If we go into a 15 minute, yeah, I don't like the way that it's just wicked that, but Our risk is now underneath this low. So if it comes and breaks this low, then we're out of the trade anyway. Okay, we got a few more minutes. Okay, come on, let's get that momentum. I think the 50 fib is the 8th wonder of the world. That was, what Einstein actually meant. The fib is just magic. It is just magic. Void, my man. What are you trading? Or are you sitting on your hands? Coming back down to test this area is it's like ideally you want to really start pushing. You really want to start getting momentum. You don't want to be indecisive in this area. Let's have a look at gold. It's fine. Coming back into that 50 area as well. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, this is what I want to hear. Long gold and EU. My man, that is exactly what we're doing. That is exactly how we're doing it. This is game day. It's game day. Out of gold. Michael. To be fair, you got out on a really nice area. That was a savage trade. Because even, you got that. You were in from around here, I think it was. That's a savage trade already. And to be fair, that's what, like a 4R coming back into this area of supply. That's just picture perfect, to be fair, mate. If I wasn't so greedy, but I do think we're going to push up. And we've got what? A couple more minutes. How long we got? Okay, no, the market's just opened. Let's have a look. This is going to be the moment. Let's put EU. Ah, that does not look good. That sucks. That does not look good. Ooh. Ooh. Holy crap. Look at that. Oh, holy moly. Holy schnizer. Ooh, these don't look good, boys. These don't look good. Mike's going to be so smug if this takes me out. I can already tell how smug he's going to be. Okay, gold is breaking that area. That's not what definitely not what we want to be seeing. That's a pretty fast move. We're back onto break even on that trade, which is a big shame. We're back at break even on gold now. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, this is bloody awful. You haven't told me anything yet. I haven't been taken out. Once I get taken out, I will happily lie down and I'll say, Michael, you are the man. You are the man. You are the man anyway. I must say, I do miss you, bro. We're still in and we're still kicking and screaming. Jitender. So we're long gold. Jitender from these areas. Michael got out because he's a big wuss. He's a big wussy. And we're also in euro dollar. Okay, do you know what? Such a difficult read, man. Still looks good. Still looks like it's holding. It still looks like it's holding. Boring day. boring day. Oh, mate, it is definitely not. It's been the opposite of a boring day. It has been the opposite of a boring day. It's been too much going on. Way too much. We had that trade from earlier this morning. That was a massive trade, to be fair. Okay, so we're back in profits. We're back over the EMAs. Yeah, on this account, yeah. On the account that it matters on, no, because I got out break even. Here, it was a good day on this account, but on the ones that really the money makers, not too much. It's basically a break even day on the other accounts. This account's okay. Void, I don't know how you trade the DAX, man. Don't know how you trade the DAX. Longy, you buy stop. Where's your buy stop? Up here. That'd be a nice buy stop. Something like that. Or, nah, yeah, if you really would want to buy stop there, to be fair. It doesn't want to do it though, does it? It doesn't want to go up. Let's have a look. Okay, that's a good sign. Yen has come up to that level. That's an alright sign. Yeah, mate, I don't like gold either. I don't like bloody trading, man. This trading stuff is so overrated. the amount of stress over nothing. Over nothing. Oh. 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 Yeah. Okay. So with Void, are we looking on the what are we looking on EU? Oh, lovely stuff, buddy. Lovely stuff. Let's go. Oh, Michael, you don't want to get into an EU long with us? Go on, both Void and I are long. Well, Void's going to get long. I don't know where his buy stop is, but I assume he's going to get long. Dixie coming back in. I got to talk to man about a dog. Oh, I'll try not to. I'm sure you'll find out about it if I do. Okay, I've got to do a little bit of talking to myself about picking the trades. This morning was beautiful. Beautiful. I don't know why I didn't catch that. This was also fantastic. Could have been better though, to be honest. This is a horrible place to be, if I'm honest. Okay, now we're in a loss. Oh, it's going to come from my stop. Yeah, it's coming. Oh, it's coming. Oh, it's coming. Yeah, I'm sure. I am sure. We're about to get taken out. That's super sucks. Super sucks. Yeah, look at you coming as well. That's nice. If you got the short, fair play to you, mate. Fair play to you. Fair play. What a legend. I think we're still good on gold. We're still in. We're about to get taken out. What level did you short at? Just ender. I know, mate. This is awful. This is awful. Oi. Let's have a look at the gold. Let's have a look at my gold trade as well. Gold trade's coming back in. I was running in big profits as well. I was running in big profits. What is going on, man? Dixie's playing with us. It is playing with us. To be fair, it is super bullish. It is super bullish. Yeah. I've already had the trading gods on my side today. I've already had them, mate. I don't think I could have them again. I do not think I could have them twice in a row. Yeah, no, saying the bias has been long dollar. But I saw the setup for having at least a little bit of a retracement. But we're struggling now. Gold also, we're struggling. And we're going to get taken out on this. Oh, it's playing. This is horrible. This is a horrible trading day. This is disgusting. Yeah, Jatender, where were you looking for your TP? We haven't been able to break those lows, which is a very nice, which is a very, very, very nice feeling. The trading gods. You have got to be joking. You have got to be joking. That is insane. That is insane. Void. The trading god is real. The trading god. Watch it come down now. Take me out. I'm speaking way too early. Knew it. We're speaking way too early. Could get out and just call it a day. It has come back up. Come up for that nice retest. But we're not going to do that. We're going to hold it because we're going to hold it. We're not going anywhere. We're still in. We're still in. Let's have a look at the gold. So, to be fair, we're coming to the EMA, retest onto the EMA. Not the best, something like that. Gold is coming down though. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. That's been in such horrible consolidation from all day. Actually, it's not been very nice to trade with at all. Let's have a look at GU. GU looking all right still. EU, I can't believe I'm still in this. I actually can't believe it. I'm absolutely shocked. I'm absolutely shocked. Now we're stuck in a range on this. This looks like a little bit of a range that we're stuck in, to be honest. Let's have a look on the 4 hours still. Theoretically, on gold, we can come hit this EMA and we're still long. We're still long, which is a problem. Wow. Sometimes in trading you get lucky. Sometimes in trading you just get lucky. And you gotta sometimes admit you get lucky, man. Yeah, Mike would be howling right now. He would be howling. Let's see what gold's doing. Come on, hold, man. Hold and go up like EU. It doesn't look like that though. Crazy. EU's back. EU is flying. Mike just texted in the group. I don't think I've ever been this lucky in my life. Michael's just laughing. It's crazy. Gold, come on. Push out of this area of demand. Oh, lucky. Hold on a second. Let me plug my thing in. This has got to be one of the luckiest days I've ever had in trading. You can't make it up. You can't make it up. You can't make it up. That is nuts. That is absolutely insane. Now we've had a break. Now we can officially say we've had that break. Wow. Took its time. It took its time. Wow. We've got this. This is quite a big weekly level. This is fine. Anything, a retest on that level, I'm totally okay with. A retest of that, totally okay with. We're chilling now. Let's mark out where that big level is. 1613. Okay, we're all in green as well on the other accounts. Wow. Oh, wow. We're at a bit of resistance right now. This is quite a big area. Not a big area, but you know, this is a potential place that could squeeze us a little bit. That 50% of this move though is right up on that level, so there's no reason why we wouldn't push up a little further on. Gold's still not giving it to us. Yeah, I might close my gold trades just to be on the safe side, because that don't look. It's on a 1 minute, you know. It's a difficult one. It's a shame because I was up quite big on that. And it's like I'm selling in just like an area of quite high demand. It's not like I'm selling. I want to buy EU, but I'm not too confident now it's flying. Yeah, you wanted to buy EU when it was next to my stop loss, to be fair. Actually, no, that's not true. That's not true, because now it's actually broken. Any types of retests could be nice retests for them, for it to then push higher. Then again, you know, we're approaching higher levels. Like this is a level as well, so you've got all of these lows here. So just got to keep that in mind. Let's have a look at what the Dixie's doing. Yeah, retest those. Let's see if we can keep pushing. Cheers, mate. Well done on the trading today, mate. Honestly, fair play to you. Fair play. It's been it wasn't this was not an easy setup. It's been a bit difficult, but we're still in it. Very nice. Okay, gold is still stuck in areas where, you know, where it can find difficulty. It's still not. Yeah, well, there you go. Before I even open my mouth. EU is still we're still pressing on. If we can get over all of these EMAs and close above these EMAs, it would be a lot easier. There'll be nothing really blocking it from pushing up. Except for all of these EMAs. So all of this is just blocking it now from pushing up. Okay, we got EU running. Okay, this is all right. This is looking okay. This is a deep pullback. Oh god, it's 5 o'clock already. Okay, gold. I think I'm gonna have to close gold, to be honest, in the loss, but pretty much a break even. And EU, we're still in with some good profits on EU. We just need to find a little bit more momentum. If we don't, then, well, you know, I'm going to put my stops to break even anyway. I'm just going to go like that, bang, stops to break even, so it should be all right. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for joining me and spending some time with me going up and down on the chart. We'll see you tomorrow. Whoever wants to join in the London session in the morning, I'll be here. I can't wait to see you all there. Take care, guys, all right?